Hi, I'm Tom Cargan, owner of Air Associates. As you know, the FAA has mandated that most all aircraft must be outfitted with ADS-B out by January 1, 2020. At Air Associates, we've complied with this by outfitting all of our Cessna 172 aircraft with the ADS-B upgrade. Not only did we install ADS-B, but we installed the Garmin GTX 345 in addition to upgrading the avionics panels of our 172s to the latest in Garmin equipment. I'm sitting here with Susan LeGrand, our chief flight instructor, in 5258 Yankee, one of the aircraft that we updated. Susan's going to walk you through the upgrades that we made to this panel. Susan?
Alright, as Tom introduced it, this is 5258 Yankee. This is one of our workhorses that we use for training with most of our students. And as you can see, this is the basic of what you'll expect with our training fleet. And I'll start from the left. One of the main upgrades over here is we got the 2G5s. It's a form of glass, and it helps the students be introduced into the new technology of glass technology when it comes to the instruments. And we have the old round gauges as our standbys. If you move out to the right, I'll start from the top all the way down. We'll start with our communication panel. This is a GMA 345, a very neat panel that splits your comm and your nav. And in addition to that, if you do have a Bluetooth headset, which is a new way, especially if you're looking at ANR headsets, you can be able to pair with this very well, talk very well, especially if you're looking at things like picking up weather briefs or getting your clearances, or even talking to flight service when getting your clearance in an uncontrolled airport. This comes in very handy. We now also have our 650. This is a moving map navigation panel that we have. Best there is, and on top of it being paired with our transponder ADS-B in and out, we now have traffic capability and also weather in our fleet. Followed down with the last one, which is Tom talked about, our GTX 345. This is how we've been able to comply with ADS-B in and out in all our fleet. Very neat feature about this, it also has its Bluetooth. In addition to having ADS-B and out, like I said, it's paired with the GTN 650, giving us the capability to have traffic avoidance in our fleet, and also the pairing of this helps with the weather on board.
Well, thank you, Susan. If you'd like to have this installation put into your aircraft, or if you just need ADS-B installed, give our maintenance group a call. We'll do a turnkey solution that includes determining the equipment that you need, the price, and we'll even install it. So thanks again, and happy flying.
Happy flying.